Professor Dave again. Let's learn about special sound.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
In Italian, there are certain words with something called special sound. We call these parole con suono speciale. This is a very important concept in Italian. The expression is a label that describes all Italian words that start with certain combinations of letters. For starters, only masculine words will be words with special sound. So what are the letter combinations that qualify? Words that start with S and then another consonant, like SB, SC, SD, SF, SG, SM, SP, or ST, will be words with special sound. Also, starting with just a Z qualifies. So the kinds of words we are describing are words like studente, studente, scorpione, scorpione, scoiattolo, scoiattolo, sgabello, sgabello, specchio, specchio, sbaglio, sbaglio, zero, zero, zaino, zaino, zucchero, zucchero. Another kind of special sound occurs when words begin with GN, PS, or PN, which are less common. This includes words like gnocco, gnocco, psicologo, psicologo, pneumatico, pneumatico. And lastly, if a word starts with a totally foreign letter, like Y or X, this is also considered a special sound. This includes yogurt, yogurt, and xilofono, xylophone. So that's all there is to it. We just want to remember these special sounds and be able to identify words that qualify. This will impact the way we select indefinite articles. So let's move on and take a look at that next. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.